Welcome to the training module on the Legal Services Management System, or LSMS. This portal is a centralized platform to streamline legal aid services, ensuring better coordination between authorities and advocates. Now let's begin with how to log in as authority, committee on the LSMS portal. Different authorities, including NLSA, SLSAs, DLSAs, other committees, and advocates can log in to monitor, manage, and update legal aid applications. First of all, please type nlsa.gov.in in your web browser. Welcome to the online platform of NLSA. Here, the authority can click on Authority Login. A new page will open. Now, we are on the NLSA Legal Services Management web portal, nlsa.gov.in/LSAMS. Authorities like SCLSC, HCLSC, SLSAs, DLSAs, TLSCs, advocate can now log in by clicking on Authority, Committee Login. Enter your username, enter password, enter captcha and then click on Login. Now, how to upload a legal aid application received in the office on the NLSA LSMS portal and generate a diary number. Once we log into the LSMS portal, the authority, committee can navigate to the filling menu and select New Application. A form will open. Now select Application for and Received through from the drop-down menu, and enter other details such as the state, district, and taluka where the applicant needs legal aid. Next, select the nature of legal aid, grievance and provide a summary of the problem for which legal aid, grievance is sought. Fill in the personal details of the applicant, ensuring all mandatory fields are completed, including gender, mobile number, email ID, and eligibility criteria, as well as the legal aid, grievance details and any applicable case details. Finally, attach the necessary documents. Note, attachments must be in PDF format and should not exceed 10 megabytes. After completing the form, click on Submit. The form will be submitted, and on the next page, you will receive the diary number. You can similarly upload all legal aid applications received physically in the office on the NLSA LSMS portal and generate a diary number. Application Tracking, managing legal aid applications received on the NLSA LSMS portal. Once logged in, navigate to the Application Tracking menu and click on New Application to view the applications. Check the authority type to confirm if the application belongs to your authority. In the last column, you will find options for View, Print, and Forward Register. If the application belongs to your authority, click on the View icon to check the application details. After reviewing, click on Register Application at the top of the page. From there, select the type of legal aid application or grievance. Then click Register and confirm by clicking OK on the pop-up menu. A registration number will be generated on the next page. If the application does not belong to your authority, you can forward it by clicking on Forward Application, selecting Application for, and filling in the mandatory fields before clicking Forward to send it to the selected authority. Note that for new applications, authorities must register and process the case within 7 days. Once the application is registered, return to the Application Tracking menu and click on Registered Applications. Then, click on the Action Taken button, which will open a new form where you need to specify the action taken on the application, such as whether clarification is required based on the applicant's details, interaction details, or other notes. If the application needs legal aid, select the Lawyer Assigned option, choose the type of advocate, e.g., jail visiting, retainer lawyer, from the drop-down menu, enter any necessary remarks, and attach relevant documents. After completing the form, click Submit to finalize the action, which will dispose of the application from your authority's end. If any other actions are taken, update the case details as required and dispose of the application by selecting Application Disposed. Once disposed, the application will move to the Disposed Applications section under the Application Tracking menu. Authorities can regularly track the application status and any actions taken by the panel advocate by clicking on the Case Detail option in the Disposed Applications section. Now let's see how to add panel advocates to the LSMS portal. To add a lawyer to the LSMS web portal, first log in with your authority credentials. Navigate to the Lawyer Management section and click on Lawyer List. On this page, you will see the list of already added lawyers. At the top, there is an Add Lawyer button. Click on it to open the form. In the form, select the lawyer type, and enter the lawyer's name, mobile number, and other mandatory fields. When entering the email ID, press the Tab key. If the email is valid, a message saying, "This is valid," will appear next to the email field. If the email already exists, change the email ID. The email ID will also serve as the user ID for the lawyer, and the default password will be LSMS at 123. After completing the form, click Submit. You will be redirected to the lawyer list page. Follow the same process to add all the panel advocates. When assigning a legal aid application to a lawyer, select the appropriate lawyer type. In the Lawyer Management section, go to the Due Empanelment list. If a lawyer's empanelment period has expired, locate the lawyer whose empanelment needs to be updated. Next, go to the Edit section, where you can update the new empanelment period with the correct dates. After entering the new information, click Submit to save the changes. This action will refresh the lawyer's empanelment status in the system. Under the Application Assigned section, you can view all the applications assigned to a particular lawyer. To change your password, go to the Change Advocate menu, enter your existing password, the new password, and click Submit. If any advocate returns a case for any reason, you can track the returned case under the Return Case by ADV section in the Lawyer Management list. How to add PLV on LSMS portal. On the home page of the Authority login, click on the menu and select PLV Management. Then, go to the PLV list, where you can see the list of existing PLVs. If any PLV is not added, click on Add PLV, fill in the required information, and click Submit. If a PLV's empanelment is extended after their tenure, navigate to the Due list of PLV. Locate the relevant PLV, go to the Edit section, update the extension details, and click Submit to save the changes. Legal Services Data Management by Authority. In the Legal Service Data Management System, National Lok Adalat, Permanent Lok Adalat, Other Lok Adalat, Mobile, Field Lok Adalat, Jail Lok Adalat, Settlement through Mediation, Legal Services Beneficiaries, Legal Service Clinics, Pan-India Legal Awareness and Outreach Campaign REOPR etc. The National Lok Adalat Report, Permanent Lok Adalat Report, and other related reports need to be updated regularly. To update data, go to the relevant topic and click on it. This will open a new page showing the previously entered data submitted by your authority. At the top of the page, you'll find an Add button next to the report's name. Click on it, fill out the simple form with the required details, and click Submit. If further updates are needed but not ready for submission, you can save as draft. This will allow you to edit and update the data later from the draft table before final submission. Report generation on LSMS portal. Once logged in as an authority, navigate to the Reports menu on the home page. Click on Reports, and a new page will appear, allowing you to generate various reports. Among these, the most important reports are National Lok Adalat Report, Permanent Lok Adalat Report, Legal Services Beneficiary Report, Cause List for Legal Aid, Services Count. These reports are crucial for monitoring and managing the performance of legal services and ensuring that data is up to date and accessible for review. To generate the National Lok Adalat Report, you can select the National Lok Adalat Report option. Once selected, a simple form will be displayed where you can enter the required details, such as date range or location. SLSA authorities can generate separate reports, while DLSA authorities can generate reports specific to their district. After completing the form, click on Generate Report, and the system will create the report based on the input data, allowing you to download or print it as needed. This process ensures that both SLSA and DLSA authorities can efficiently generate customized Lok Adalat reports for effective monitoring. To generate the Legal Services Beneficiary Report, go to the Reports menu and click on Reports. A new page will appear where you can select the Legal Services Beneficiary Report option. A simple form will be displayed, which you need to fill out with the required details. Once completed, click on the appropriate button to generate the report. Please note that for all reports, DLSA authorities must select the authority type as DLSA to ensure the data corresponds to their specific jurisdiction. Through this report, you can monitor how many beneficiaries have been provided with panel advocates, counseling, and other legal services through the portal, offering a clear overview of the support provided. To generate the cause list, click on the cause list for legal aid option. A form will open where you need to enter the time period for which you want the report. After entering the dates, click on Generate. The report will display a list of all the cases that were scheduled during that time period in the district court for that specific jurisdiction. This feature helps in monitoring the cases handled within a given time frame for legal aid purposes. For this, advocates need to update case details regularly by logging into either the LSMS portal or the LSCMS portal. Since the LSMS and LSCMS portals are integrated, any updates made by the advocate on one portal will automatically reflect on both portals. Thank you for your attention.